welcome to the Alex Bine channel. BMW is raising the bar once again. Here's the flagship M7 style sedan, which looks so aggressive that it seems ready to hit the racetrack right now. The first thing that catches your eye is the completely redesigned grille, which makes the front end even more recognizable and bold. The new sculpted hood adds a sporty character to the car, while the redesigned front bumper, combined with modern aerodynamic body kit, creates the feel of a true super sedan. From the side, the car looks just as impressive. Large black alloy wheels with Y-shaped spokes and bright red brake calipers emphasize its sporty temperament and premium status. The rear offers even more excitement. A barely noticeable black spoiler on the trunk lid adds a touch of sophistication, while the new, massive diffuser integrated into a more muscular rear bumper completes the look of a car that looks fast, even when it's standing still. This isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a blend of elegance, power, and modern design that showcases what BMW's future flagship could look like. What do you think of this style? Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a production BMW M7 designed exactly like this. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on the hottest automotive news.